Hello, this is Sherry with Sharika Originals, and I'm here today to talk about our exclusive designer acrylic. We have a tutorial that is especially for laser owners who create jewelry and who want to be able to provide something different. If you're tired of relying on the pre-made acrylic sheets for your jewelry designs, do you want the freedom to create your own unique personalized pieces that reflect your own style? Look no further. Our online tutorial is here to revolutionize your jewelry making journey. You will master the basics of creating and painting. You will explore advanced techniques that we have shared with you. You will create your own stunning designs using your own colors and your own design effects. You will gain exclusive insights and you will learn to just take this craft beyond what I teach you. You're going to have versatility. You know, in Sharika Originals, we say our designs are deliberately different. So if you want to be different, don't settle for what everybody else does. Unleash your own creativity. Take your jewelry making skills to a new level. And you can do that with our tutorials. All right, good people, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. Check out our tutorial on making our exclusive designed acrylic. All right, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.